This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious beer mug cake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, have 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and a small splash of vanilla extract ready. Don't forget a microwave-safe mug, ideally holding 12 ounces or more. Now, let's mix our batter. In your microwave-safe mug, combine the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Stir these dry ingredients together until they are well blended. Next, pour in the milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Mix everything thoroughly with a small spoon or fork. Continue stirring until the batter is smooth and consistent, ensuring there are no dry pockets of flour at the bottom. It's time to cook your cake. Place the mug in the microwave and cook on high for 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking times can vary based on your microwave's wattage, so start with 60 seconds and add more time if needed. The cake should look set and feel springy to the touch. Carefully remove the hot mug, let it cool for about 1 minute, then add your favorite toppings and enjoy. Want to customize your mug cake? For a chocolatey treat, stir in 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips before microwaving. You can also experiment with different liquids. Try coffee instead of milk for a mocha flavor or a flavored creamer for a richer taste. Finish your cake with a dollop of whipped cream, a scoop of ice cream, or a drizzle of caramel sauce for an extra special dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.